How to remove cache and cookies from Facebook on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook app on your phone and hop into your homepage of Facebook. Sign into your account. Tap three line icon at top right. Tap setting in privacy and choose settings option. Now you need to scroll down and come over your preferences section, tap on browser option. And now at the top you will see browsing activity where there is cookies and cache. Tap clear button and tap on clear. Once you have done that, you can come back and exit Facebook. After a while, long press on Facebook app and tap on app info. Tap on storage users and tap on clear cache. By following this two steps, you can successfully remove cache and cookies from Facebook on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.